Let's learn about degrees and radians in trigonometry. So whenever we have learned in junior cert, whenever we say an angle, we measure it using degrees. Okay, but when it comes to leaving cert, you will have to work with radians also. So you need to know when to switch on that, when to move into radians when doing calculations. So it is very important that you understand the concept of radians. So what is a radian? A radian, okay, if you have a if you have a straight line, the complete rotation, okay, the complete rotation is nothing but 360 degree. Okay, now here when it comes to radian is a measure of the angle. Okay, it is measured in angle at the center of a circle by an arc. Like if you have an arc like this, and if this is the radius of the circle and the arc length is r, okay, this is also r, so this is the measure of the angle at the center, so this is called radian. Okay, so no need to worry about the definition and all these things. They're not going to ask you that, but this is the concept. So this is called 1 radian. Okay, 1 radian is a measure of the angle at the center of the circle, subtended by, it is called subtended by the arc which is equal to the length of its radius. Okay, now the radian is the whole thing, the radian is 2 pi r, which is equal to 360 degree. That's the calculation. So pi is equal to 2 pi is equal to 360 degree and pi will be equal to 180 degree. So this is the concept, and the frequently used ones are 0 is 0. So let me just note it down. This is degree and this is radians. Okay, so for 0 it is 0. For 30 degree it is pi over 6. For 45 it is pi over 4. For 60 it is pi over 3. And 90 it is pi over 2. 180 it is pi. 270 it is 3 pi over 2. 360 it is 2 pi. It's good to have an understanding of this, because when you are doing trigonometric graph you might require this. When you are doing some calculations on trigonometry you might require this. So it is good to have an understanding of this. Some of these are in the formula book, not everything is in the formula book. So you need to understand that, okay, this is how we find out, or these are the values which are. Okay, now there is a conversion which comes into place, which is like pi radians is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so 1 radian is equal to 180 over pi. So with this you can calculate and you can change the values.